I'm visiting today with Ross Miller, our senior warden, who has been guiding us through the restoration of all our buildings that were destroyed in Hurricane Ian. And Ross, sometimes it seems like nothing's happening, but today you had some news for the church today.
Yes, we had the flooring delivered for, well, the room that we're sitting in, which will be our new storage room, the new conference area that's out behind us, and the office area, our new office area. That's all been delivered, and that installation should start next week. Oh, and I just did find out that the bathroom flooring is here as well, so maybe that can be put down. Well, that's the next step, get the flooring in, and then we also are going to have the floors in the kitchen cleaned so that we can bring a couple of appliances in so they can install the range hood, which we need. So all this is starting to come together now, and the electric is working. We have lights on the stage. The stage flooring isn't here yet, but it should be here shortly.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll keep going forward.
Sounds good. It's not everything, but it's a whole lot more than what we had, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ross.
Thank you.